Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA of MultiVAC. This TA was requested by a community member in Discord. It was by Phoenix, Iceman175, and was also requested by Slasma and Navigator Max. You guys are also welcome to join our Discord server. The link will be provided down below. We are going to look at the short-term price action of MultiVAC. We are also going to look at the correlation between MultiVAC and Bitcoin, the dominance of stablecoin, Bitcoin, and altcoins. We're going to look at the total market cap. We're going to look at altcoin season, crypto fear index, and much more, guys. So stay tuned. Let's dive straight into it and analyze. Guys, if you have been following my channel, you know I have been talking about the long-term and short-term of MultiVAC. However, we're just going to look at the short-term price action today. And if you still have not seen my long-term price prediction of MultiVAC with the Wyckoff theory, at the right corner there will be a playlist you guys can click on and watch the long-term price action. If you've been following my YouTube channel, you guys know what I'm talking about. If you have not, let me just explain. At the moment, in the short term, we are looking for falling wedge, which is a bullish formation, a reversal to the upside. We are also, as you guys can see here, we have also what we call our ABC correction, which is a bullish ABC. As you guys are seeing, we have an ABC. Usually that means, again, we have a reversal. Of course, there's no guarantee in trading, but they are bullish signal forming at that moment. What we have to look at the moment is the price action of MultiVAC. We have to look at the volume. We have to look at the supply zone, you know guys, the sell zone, and we have to look at the demand zone, which I believe is still a possibility. Yes, these areas are low areas, but they are also a great opportunity to buy MultiVAC to a lot cheaper price before it does explode, because when we are in an altcoin season, everything just explodes to the upside. And you don't need a lot of liquidity, which is money, to make this thing explode. You literally need some few millions and it can explode insanely. And we just look at the technical point of view, we actually do not have a lot of volume. As you guys are seeing, there's really not a volume, which means there's not a lot of price action. So we are consolidating at the moment, which is a good thing, because if you're watching at the RSI stock, we are oversold. As you guys see right there, we are oversold. All right, so we need to calm down. We need to consolidate slowly before we get out of control, because if we get way too up fast, we will also jump way too down fast. So if you are in for a short-term trading, this is looking fine. But again, this is Sunday. People are out with their family, they are relaxing from works and so on. So of course, there's not a lot of price action, not a lot of liquidity going into the market. Now, what we could do is look for resistance area, right? Because we know that in the RSI stock, it is oversold. We know it needs a bit of retracement before, again, it goes to the uptrend. If it does go to the uptrend, the way we can do it is we can use a fib level or fib tools, take the low, top to the lowest again. That sounds like a rap track, but it isn't, because my English is broken, so I can't rap at all. But if you look at the fib levels right over here, we can see there's a lot of resistance at the moment. Already in the golden pocket area at 0382, we are seeing a lot of resistance, guys. The VPV are also confirming that we have a lot of activity at the golden pocket area. So we can use the fib levels and the VPR combined as a strong tool, because as you guys can see here, right over here, we have a lot of activity right at the golden pocket area at this fib level. So at this fib area, let me just show you guys, at this price range, we have to cross it. We have to break this area. We also call the supply zone. All right, that means there's just a lot of sellers that's ready to sell the token. That is literally just means that there's more supply than there's demand, and it can retrace. So we have to break this. To do that, we need a lot more volume than this, guys. Again, it is Sunday, so we need to wait by Monday, Thursday, and so on before we see some volume, before we see anything. All right. However, guys, once we get the volume and the price action on the chart, what we can see that we will break through this, right? Then we will see for a new resistance area. And if you guys are watching at the moment, look at this fib level right over here and look at the VPVR. All right, as you guys are seeing, this will be the new resistance area, right? I will just show you guys. So around this area will be around the new resistance area. So once we are above this and use this as support, then we have to break this and be used as a support right after. And right after that, that will be a heavy supply zone, which is the sell zone again, guys. This area, we need a lot of volume. We need a lot of buyers. The buyers have, the bulls simply have to have control. But again, a lot of what we can confirm is if we go up to the supply zone and get rejected and don't hold this right, then yeah, then we are getting down. Something else that can happen is we go something like this and do something like this, then we have a head and shoulder. That is not good either. So what we have to do is we have to wait before a breakout, and then we have to hold this key fib level and this price levels you guys can see here. But again, guys, we are traders, we are not gamblers. Alright, so there's no guarantee for this. The other possibility in the realm of possibility that it get rejected right at the golden area. As you guys see, it already got rejected. Then it will go by to my buy zone, which is also my demand zone, which is the accumulation area. Then we are done with the Wyckoff theory also in the long term. Again, guys, check that video out. Then we have bottom out, in my opinion, right over these levels, which be around this area, this level. Yeah, so let's just lock that, and let's just lock this and lock this, and there will also be resistance at this area and a small resistance at this area. These are the resistance area, and then we can just remove the fib levels. Are you guys seeing that? There we go. So these are the areas you guys have to watch out. Again, no guarantee in trading. Always do your own due diligence before you invest any of this, especially these micro cap gem, because they are highly volatile and highly risky, guys. So always do your own research before investing in any of these. Other indicators we can use, guys, is the 21, 30, 50, and 200 SMA, guys. As you guys are seeing in the daily chart, we are above the 21 SMA, which is the red one, and we are fighting right at the 30 SMA. All right, that means there's a lot of heavy resistance. However, once we go above this and hold, like before I show you the price level of these, then we have the 50 SMA area, which is a resistant area. And then again, we have the 200, which will be the strongest. As you guys can see right over here, if it goes down right here, this area will be the strongest resistance area, which we again call the supply zone. Just again mean that the supply is greater than demand, and then we have to retrace back again. Again, I'm not staying bearish or anything like that. I'm super bullish on the long term of MultiVAC. However, I'm just a trader, and this is what I'm seeing at the moment. I'm just showing you guys. So don't get mad what I'm showing you at the moment. We still have a lot of resistance area we have to surpass, but I believe that this is a gem and a monster in the long term and can give us a lot of profit. But as always, guys, remember that every altcoin is correlated with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is correlated with the traditional market. If Bitcoin drops heavily, it will drag all the altcoins down with it and maybe even go lower than our buy zone. All right, just keep that in mind. If we look at the stable coin, Bitcoin dominance and altcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance have reached our second support. If you follow my channel, you know I made these few days ago that there was the first support area which it hit, then the second support area. What does this mean? And the altcoins and Ethereum dominance have broken the trend line. Now, what does that mean? It just means that altcoins and Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in percent, not in price, in percent. All right, great indicator to use if you are day trading. If you look at the total market cap, that is all the liquidity and all the asset, all the crypto. Again, not much to show. We have been in a down channel and have broken out from there. It just means that liquidity is pouring into the market at the moment, and then we can see some resistance levels such as this area, around this area, and this area. Yeah, so not much to show. Again, just show that we were on the downside stock, that we were oversold, sorry, and that we are now bouncing back. So again, not much to show in the total market cap. So let's look at the altcoin season index. A lot of people are saying we're in altcoin season zone. We're in altcoin season zone. This indicator are telling us that we are closer to a Bitcoin season. If you're looking at the top 50 performance 19 days, there's not a lot of coins that have performed well, guys. Most of them have actually done really bad. So in my opinion, we're still in altcoin season, but we will get there once Bitcoin shoot up and consolidate. Then a lot of altcoins normally just, shine. If you just look at the crypto fear and greed index again, 48, we are seeing some action from Bitcoin. Therefore, people are getting more FOMO stage, more greedy, but we are not there, guys. Just mean that we are trying to push the price up. Remember, I use this indicator where when we are way too greedy, I just sell some and take some profit. When we're too fearful, I just buy some. Again, we are in a neutral area, so that's not much to tell about the market. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoy my content, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, guys, join our Discord server. The link will be provided down below. So yeah, guys, see you in the Discord server.